Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a gingerbread train. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our gingerbread train, we are going to begin with the wheels. And the first thing you have to do is move a small cat out of the way. And I'm going to begin right down here. So I'm going to make a little wheel in the front and then two bigger wheels in the back. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a smaller wheel for the front, just a little circle. Then I'm going to leave some space and I want to make two bigger wheels. So I'm going to draw a little bit bigger wheel right here. And then I'm going to put another wheel about the same size right here. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little line that connects them all. So I'm going to start with a little line here. I'm going to jump over here, go to here, jump over to here. Now, starting right here at this wheel, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up to right about there. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw a little line right about here. We'll make it a little taller. Now I'm going to add a wiggly line all the way across here. Then we're going to make a line that goes up, it's going to come over and then back down for the top of our train to make it look like there's icing on it. Now starting here, we're going to make a long straight line and you want to try to line it up with this. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down and we're going to add another wavy line for some more icing and then connect it up here. Then I'm going to make a little line that goes right down. Now starting right here, we're going to just make a little line that just goes down and it's going to come back here. Then I'm going to add a little half circle shape right in the front. And then we'll put a little bump right at the end there. Right here I'm going to make a little line that goes down and it's going to come right over here for the front of the train. Now starting right up here, we're going to add a little stack. So I'm going to add a little line that goes up, it's going to come over and then back down for a little smokestack. I'm going to add another little line across. Then we'll make a line that curves up on each side for the top of our smokestack. And just like we did here and here, we'll add a little curvy line that comes across. And a little line that goes up, over, and then it's going to come right back down. Now right here we want to make a little window. So all you have to do is draw a nice square right in about the middle of our train car. And then what I like to do is I like to add a line here and a line here. And then one that goes across here, and then right across the bottom. Next, I'm going to add a little line that goes here and here to hold on to our train car. We can make them a little longer. Then I'm going to add a little line that goes down here and over. I'm going to make a small circle shape here for another wheel. I'll leave some space and then we'll make another small circle shape right here. We'll draw a little line right in between here and then another little line over here. Then we'll make a little line that goes straight up. Next, starting here, we're going to make a little wiggly line that goes all the way across here. And a little line that goes over, and then it's going to come down here. Now, I want our little gingerbread train to be carrying some candy canes. So starting right here, we're going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to curve down. We'll make a little line that goes over, and then we'll make another line that goes up and then down for a candy cane. I'll put another one here. We're going to make a line that goes up, nice and tall, and then it's going to curve to here. We'll make a little line that goes over, and then we'll curve up and back down for that candy cane. Then our last one right here, we'll make a line that curves up. It's going to come down and over. Then we're going to go up and down. So now here's our basic candy cane or gingerbread train. Now we need to add some details on here. So the first thing is let's add some details to the candy cane. So we're going to draw some little stripes that go all the way across each one. So you just want to put these little stripes all the way across the candy cane. We'll add some more over here, and they just go at a little diagonal line. So we're just going to go right across here, and we're going to fill all these up. So I'm going to draw a few more going right across here. Now, right on here I want to have a little bit of mistletoe or like some holly hanging on here. So we're going to start by making a small circle shape. I'll add another circle here, and then one more right here, so they're kind of hiding behind it just a little bit. Then I'm going to draw a line here, and then one more line right there. Then you just add a few little spiky lines on each side. So we'll add a few spiky lines here, a few spiky lines over here, and then a few spiky lines on the side too. Then on the back here, I'm just going to add a couple little bumps for like some little gumdrops on here. Now, for the wheels, I'm going to add a little dot in the center of each wheel, and then I'm going to add some curved lines all the way across here. And this will just help make it look like it's a little piece of peppermint candy. So we'll just make these little curved lines all the way across here, just like this. I can also do that same thing to here. So I'm going to add some little dots right in the center of there. And I'll add some little lines in here. And it works out good if you have about 6 little spaces, because then that way you can have an even number of red spots and then like white spots on there. And then we'll do this to the last one right here. Now, on here I want this to look like candy canes, so I'm just going to add some little curved lines across here. And then I'll do the same thing all the way across these as well. I'm going to make this part look like a candy cane as well. I'm going to add some more little bumps on here for more little gumdrops. We can always add little dots on here just to help with that. Put some back here too. Then I'm going to add just a couple little small circles for some details on here. And then we'll just put a little heart shape on here. And I'll add another small heart right in the center of there. And there you go. There is your little gingerbread train. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.